Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's really good to have you guys here. Today I'll be working on clear crystal nails, and join me while we get into it. So yes, we will first begin by buffing our nails. This makes the gel and every other application be able to adhere a lot better. So here I am buffing the crystal nails, and these nails are just, perfect for my design. And for the record, I am not a professional. I am doing this, just sharing my little hacks, lazy girl hacks with you. So as you can see, I am buffing my nails. Nothing special, just run your buffer through and over them, get them all nice, as you can see, all nice and done. So over here I will be prepping it by applying my top coat. Oh, sorry, that's after the alcohol. Look at me, I'm already ahead of my time. So after wiping with isopropyl alcohol, everyone has a problem pronouncing it the first time. So I have cleaned and wiped with the alcohol. As you can see, give it a good shine, make sure all the dirt and particles are off. And as you can see, it's all nice and clean. I will be applying my top coat, and this is by Azure. You can get this on Amazon. I pretty much get all of my nail products from Amazon. And as you can see, my little nail stands and my glue for holding on to my nails. Yes, everything can be purchased on Amazon. I will try to leave the link below because trust me, all these, I'm sure everyone pretty much has a whole pack of manicure or bedazzling kit at home. It took me about 3 years, I would be honest, to have everything I need. I stopped using the salon for about 3 years now. I have pretty much been doing this by myself. So here I will be, yes, it will, oh, that's right after the UV lamp. So as you can see, it's all nice and prepped. And in this part, I'll be applying my gel. Excuse my blabber. I'm skipping my whole tutorial. So as you can see, we have the AB crystals, which I also purchased from Amazon. We are going to be bedazzling with everything you see with me. I will make sure that it is looking nice. And there goes my mascara brush, which I also purchased from Amazon. Oh wow, Amazon is just, everything right now. You look for anything, you're going to find it there. And we also have the glue. I use this, but I just noticed it's starting to be, a lot stickier than I expected. I've had it for about a minute or so. And as you can see, I'm applying a light application on my nail after the top coat and after curing from the UV lamp. I will now place my gemstones on the glue part, on the gel, so that will adhere a lot stronger after curing. So as you can see, I have began freestyling. I basically freestyle, you guys. I do not prep my designs. That is so whack of me. So as you can see, I'm just going in with it, just going with what my mind tells me to do. I do not design my nails. Trust me, I don't have a whole sketch, none of that. Nada. So as you can see, and I do get my inspiration from Van Me Val. She's also here on YouTube. She has her whole channel. She bedazzles with the XXL. She's awesome with it, and I've been watching her for a minute, and I was like, you know what, since I'm already doing my nails, let me just share my little lazy girl hacks here. And as you can see, it's looking all nice and shiny. This is my favorite part. Girls love shiny stuff. Look at that. Just look at the beauty. So we move on to the next nail, and this is my next design. I pretty much don't like putting the same design. Nobody likes putting the same design on each nail, trust me. It's like, let me style you up. You index finger and you third finger, you are going to be my shebang blam. As you can see, we already have this done, all set and shiny. Just look at that I cannot believe in myself, you guys. I did not know I could do this, but trust me, it takes everything called consistency. Trust me, I'm very consistent. So in this part, I decided to add the glue foil to my fourth finger. That's the fourth fingernail. As you can see, I'm applying the foil glue over my cured top coat on the nail. No buffing, no extra. Just apply that, then you cure. And you can also get that from Amazon. Amazon has a ton. I'm not a brand picker just yet because I'm not representing any brand. And as you can see, that's my foil. For the hollow effect, I will be placing that over the nail once it's cured. And as you see, so I am applying the monographic sheet over it, as you can see, as so. And all we just need to do is give it a good massage, then you peel, nice and easy, as so. There we go. That's the effect I was looking for. And we are looking all extra sparkly right there. There we go. And I decided to put a little stone on it. Sorry, I skipped that part. And now to the last finger, the pinky. We got to make the pinky look nice and just simple. I'm pretty much of a minimalist, as you can see. I don't over bedazzle my nails, and I'm sure we do have a lot of people. You want to just look nice, elegant, and just not over the top. You know, this is pretty much my style. I'm pretty much someone who used to work in a bank and, more in a corporate zone, so you don't want to overdo anything. And that's why my nails are not yet XXL. I'll be getting there. And as you can see, this is the effect of what I was trying to say. And there we have it. Our bedazzled 5-finger nails. This is the best press-on so far that I have created, and I'm really proud of myself. I am so proud of myself, girls, guys, everybody. I am so proud of myself. And as you can see, this is the effect that you are expecting from the AB crystal. And after the application, this is all you are expecting. Nothing but minimal, but with the bling effect, and everything else is just gonna follow. I'm so proud of this, you guys. Please give it all you can. If you are the minimalist type, this is what you can go for. And I do love you guys so much, and thank you. Please like and subscribe on my page, guys. Like and subscribe, share. Okay, I'll be bringing more to you. Thanks, ciao.